I just kept going, just kept moving, kept focusing ahead, kept moving, didn't lose pace, didn't lose traction, didn't lose faith, just kept on moving, forward and forward and forward. Nothing at all could stand in my way. Nothing could stop the momentum. Nothing could seize the momentum. Nothing could halt the momentum. It was focused on moving, focused on propelling, being propelled, focused on that task, that specific task, that specific role, that function, and only that function of moving forward and forward and moving, continuing, consistent, generating enough momentum, enough focus to move forward, on and on, nearing nothing, moving forward, achieving everything momentarily, and then moving forward again, projecting myself forward, projecting everything I had forward, projecting all clarity, all vision forward, never stopping, never ceasing, never changing perspective or changing my mind or changing direction, just propelling forward, just focused. Forward, forward, moving forward.